Hello everyone, this is Quick Turns, and today I'll be solving both of these speed cubes at the same time. And before I continue, these are the speed cubes I use for my sub 15 attempts. So these are my only 3x3 magnetic cubes. Alright, now let's get started. So before I start, I obviously have to scramble them, so I'm just going to do that right now. Right now they're scrambled, I'm going to inspect them, and then I'll start to solve. Now that inspections are done, I'm going to start off with this one, and then solve this one after. So let's go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, there you go. Like and subscribe for more.